The beauty and diversity of our planet. Behold, our planet Earth. A wonderfully diverse and extraordinary place, beyond comparison. From the verdant Amazonian rainforests to the icy Arctic tundras, our planet is home to an incredible diversity of habitats and ecosystems, brimming with life. Our planet's biological richness is remarkable. With 8.7 million plants and animal species thriving in its various ecosystems. The diversity of life on Earth is remarkable. From the vivid colors of coral reefs to the majestic majesty of elephants and whales. But it's not just the diversity of creatures that distinguishes our world. Each group of organisms has its distinct shape, size, color, and activity, making them genuinely unique. From the delicate decorations of butterfly wings to the sophisticated web arrangements of spiders. Every creature on Earth is a piece of art. Not to mention the natural splendor that surrounds us, from towering mountains and gushing waterfalls to broad deserts and exquisite beaches. A beautiful display of nature's strength and beauty. However, our planet's beauty is not limited to the natural world. The complex fabric of human culture, art and tradition that has emerged over millennia is a monument to our limitless inventiveness and innovation. In a nutshell, our Earth is a diversity and splendor that never ceases to astonish and inspire. Earth is a sight to behold, whether we're gazing at the delicate patterns of a snowflake or overwhelmed by the grandeur of the Grand Canyon. Exploring the different ecosystems of our planet. Our globe is home to an unlimited diversity of ecosystems, from thick rainforests to arid deserts, just begging to be explored and studied. One of the most fascinating aspects of Earth's ecosystems is the incredible diversity that exists inside each one. For example, the ocean. From the sun-kissed shallows of coral reefs to the murky depths of the abyss, the ocean is home to an inexhaustible variety of marine species, each suited to thrive in its environment. But it's not just the ocean that's alive and well. Every nook of our world is home to a unique variety of species that have evolved to thrive in their climate. From the frigid expanses of the polar regions to the blazing heat of the tropical rainforests. And it's not simply the living things that distinguish each environment. The geology, climate, and geography of each habitat also play an important role in shaping the ecosystem's nature. Every ecosystem on Earth, from the Himalayan peaks to the African savannas, has its own distinct set of physical and environmental characteristics that make it unique. There are a plethora of fascinating ecosystems to uncover for people who enjoy exploring the natural world. Whether you're hiking through the Amazon rainforest in search of exotic species, or diving into the crystalline waters of the Great Barrier Reef to marvel at its vivid corals and fish, our world has an endless supply of natural treasures to discover. However, it is not just about adventure and exploration. Understanding and appreciating Earth's different ecosystems is critical to our planet's well-being and sustainability. By examining the many ecosystems and the distinct life forms that inhabit them, we can gain a greater understanding of the complicated web of life that exists on our planet and how we might protect and conserve it for future generations. Our planet's different ecosystems attest to the incredible beauty and complexity of the natural world. Every living thing on Earth is inextricably tied to its environment, from the smallest bacteria to the greatest mammals, and each ecosystem has a unique story to tell. So, whether you're an adventurer, a nature fanatic, or simply curious about the world around you, experiencing our planet's various ecosystems will captivate and stimulate you. Discovering the rich biodiversity of Earth. Each living organism is an amazing discovery, with unique adaptations and traits. The various animal species that inhabit our globe are at the heart of our planet's astounding biodiversity. Each species, from the majestic elephants and lions of the African savanna to the fun dolphins and whales of the world's oceans, has its particular behaviors, habitats, and physical characteristics. It is not simply the charismatic megafauna that contributes to Earth's biodiversity. Numerous insects, birds, fish and reptile species perform important roles in their ecosystems and are equally fascinating to study. Furthermore, the biodiversity of the Earth is not confined to animals. The world also has an amazing variety of plants that are crucial to the planet's ecosystems, ranging from towering redwoods to fragile daisies. These plants feed and shelter an infinite number of animal species, contributing to the delicate balance of life on Earth. However, human actions like deforestation, pollution, and climate change are threatening the existence of innumerable plant and animal species, putting the planet's ecosystems in jeopardy. As a result, it is vital to recognize and protect the planet's diverse biodiversity. We can get a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that exists on Earth and seek to conserve and preserve it for future generations by learning about the myriad life forms that call our planet home. So, whether you're appreciating the brilliant plumage of a tropical bird, watching a bee pollinate a flower, or simply strolling through a neighborhood park, take a moment to wonder at our planet's astounding biodiversity. It's an unrivaled gift, and it's up to all of us to protect it for future generations. Preserving the natural wonders of our planet. As our planet's population grows, so does the burden on its natural resources. The multiple risks to the health and sustainability of the natural world are overwhelming, ranging from excessive deforestation to rampant pollution and climate change. However, there is cause for optimism. We can work together to protect and preserve the planet's natural wonders for future generations. By committing to sustainable development goals and taking steps to conserve the planet's resources, we can create a future in which the natural world thrives alongside human growth. Prioritizing sustainable behaviors in all parts of life is critical to this objective. This entails reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and adopting renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar electricity. It also means promoting environmentally friendly agriculture methods that protect the health of our land and waterways. Above all, it necessitates a commitment to sustainable development that considers the requirements of both the planet and human societies. We can also seek to protect specific places on the Earth that are especially vulnerable to human activity. This might include creating protected areas, like national parks and wildlife reserves where natural habitats can be conserved and wildlife can thrive. That means assisting organizations that strive to safeguard endangered species from habitat destruction and poaching. It may also include taking steps to lessen our environmental impact, such as taking public transit, conserving water and electricity, and reducing waste. It is our collective responsibility to protect the planet's natural wonders. We may design a future in which the natural world thrives in harmony with human growth by implementing environmental precautions and embracing sustainable behaviors. It's a future worth working towards and one to which we can all contribute. Appreciating the incredible beauty and diversity of our planet. As we've traversed the various ecosystems and witnessed the myriad of life forms on our planet, we've been struck by the stunning splendor and diversity that envelop us daily. But simply admiring nature's beauty is insufficient. It must also be protected and nurtured. This means respecting the wide range of life on our planet, from the smallest invertebrate to the greatest mammal. It entails acknowledging the negative consequences of human activity on our planet's delicate ecological balance and attempting to reduce our impact. It also entails appreciating nature's abundant blessings, which range from clean air and water to food and medicine. By appreciating these resources, we may work to protect and conserve them for future generations. In the end, our planet is a magnificent gift that we must all respect and treasure. We may create a world where the natural and human worlds coexist in harmony by developing an appreciation for nature's exquisiteness and diversity and being committed to protecting it for future generations. It's a grandiloquent ideal which we may all help to realize. So, Did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Leave them in the comments section below.